Alright, cabinet's now painted. Did 2 coats of a Rust-Oleum product that is a very close match for this old Powermatic light green. Did the dust door and other aspects here, including the miter gauge. This is the Powermatic 72 miter gauge, now all restored. Stripped it and primed it, but before putting the paint on, I sanded this scale here, and originally it was just green, the same color as the original miter gauge, but I sanded it and then covered it with tape and then painted everything else, primed and painted green. Also, this screw here with the washer to fit in the T-slot was missing, so I added that. I got that back to functioning. And then also this was missing the pointer, so I fabricated a little pointer. But then when I took the tape off and the paint was dry and everything, I just used a red Sharpie marker to color in the scale. And because the numbers are depressed, they're stamped in there, the red didn't go down in there, and then it really creates a good contrast so you can actually see those numbers. Before it was just all green. And it didn't really stick out. So now we got the red and green there to go with all the other red and green. So that's looking pretty good. That'll go good with, like I said, all this other red for the badges and so forth. Alright, the coats of paint are dry. Got the hand wheels back on, all the nameplate badges, dust door. Looking pretty sharp. It's going to look good when she's all done.